11 smart gadgets that are at another level. If you're into unique gadgets, get ready because these smart devices are truly in a league of their own. From powerful charging solutions to groundbreaking health monitors, these gadgets offer practicality, style, and innovation in ways you might not expect. Imagine a power bank that folds and stores easily, a microphone that enhances audio without complex setups, or a rolling ball clock that transforms how you think about time. Each gadget has its unique flair and is perfect for tech enthusiasts who love devices that are functional and a bit out of the ordinary. Gadget Flip Go. The Gadget Flip Go is not just any power bank. It's a streamlined powerhouse that combines convenience with portability. Unlike traditional power banks that can be bulky and awkward to carry around, the Flip Go has a unique fold-out design that lets it tuck away easily when not in use. Imagine being able to fit a full-powered charger in your pocket without worrying about cables tangling or bulky parts getting in the way. This innovation makes it a dream for anyone who's on the go or constantly on their devices and needs reliable power without hassle. What really sets the Gadget Flip Go apart is its functionality. With enough battery capacity to handle multiple charges for your smartphone or smaller devices, it's a perfect companion for trips, workdays, and everything in between. The Flip Go is also designed for fast charging, so you can get your device back to full power in less time. PhotoFast PhotoQ PD Plus. The PhotoFast PhotoQ PD Plus is an essential for anyone looking to back up precious memories while also charging their device. This ingenious gadget does double duty by charging your phone while simultaneously backing up your photos, videos, and even contacts. Think of it as a personal portable backup drive that makes managing your digital life effortless. Just plug it in, and as it charges, it takes care of your backups automatically. One of the best aspects of the PhotoQ PD Plus is its versatility. It's compatible with both Android and iOS devices, allowing a wide range of users to enjoy seamless, secure data backup without the hassle of cloud subscriptions. This means you can keep your personal information stored safely and privately, without relying on an internet connection or an app. Isotyne Watch. The Isotyne Watch isn't just a smartwatch. It's a statement piece packed with features that go above and beyond basic fitness tracking. With its modern, stylish design, the Isotyne Watch suits both casual and professional outfits, making it ideal for everyday wear. Beyond the sleek exterior, this watch is equipped with health monitoring capabilities like heart rate tracking, sleep quality analysis, and even notifications to help keep you active and informed throughout the day. The Isotyne Watch stands out for its customizable options, which allow you to personalize its display to suit your style or needs. It's like having a mini personal assistant on your wrist that not only keeps you on schedule, but also helps manage your well-being. Monstetic the M1. Monstetic. The M1 is redefining personal audio with its innovative sound and sleek design. Whether you're using it for gaming, music, or calls, this gadget offers rich, immersive sound quality that truly stands out. With advanced noise-canceling capabilities, the M1 filters out background sounds, letting you focus entirely on your audio experience. It's a perfect tool for both work and play, delivering clarity and depth no matter where you are. The design of Monstetic, the M1 is sleek and compact, making it easy to carry around or use at home. You can rely on its long-lasting battery life for hours of uninterrupted use, and its user-friendly controls allow you to adjust the settings with ease. Monstetic has taken a classic audio device and elevated it, creating a gadget that combines style, comfort, and outstanding functionality. Apollosign Paco. Apollosign Paco is the travel organizer of the future. This smart, compact gadget is designed to keep your travel essentials organized, charged, and ready to go. With multiple compartments for chargers, cables, and adapters, the Paco keeps everything in one place, so you don't have to dig through your bag to find what you need. It's the ultimate travel companion, ensuring that you're always prepared, whether you're going on a short trip or a long journey. The Paco isn't just about organization. It's designed with travelers in mind, offering features like easy access and secure storage. Its rugged, durable build means it can withstand the wear and tear of travel, and its sleek design makes it easy to carry around. Luxio M8 Smart Wireless Microphone. The Luxio M8 Smart Wireless Microphone offers audio quality that will impress both professionals and casual users alike. With its wireless capabilities, this microphone eliminates the need for complicated setups and bulky equipment, making it perfect for podcasting, interviews, or even vlogging on the move. The M8 is crafted to pick up sound with incredible clarity and reduce background noise, ensuring your voice comes through crisp and clear. Its portable design and intuitive features make it ideal for anyone who values high-quality sound on the go. Whether you're recording in a controlled studio environment or an outdoor setting, the Luxio M8 adapts to your needs with ease. Prism Music Player. The Prism Music Player transforms the way you experience music at home. It's a smart player that learns your musical preferences and automatically curates playlists tailored to your taste. Imagine walking into your room and having a playlist that matches your mood or the time of day, all without lifting a finger. Prism takes care of that, creating a truly personalized music experience. The Prism Music Player also supports multiple streaming platforms, so you can access all your favorite tunes in one place. It's not just a speaker. It's an intelligent device that evolves with your music preferences, making it an essential gadget for any music lover. Ayaneo Flip. The Ayaneo Flip takes portable gaming to another level. With a stunning high-definition display and powerful graphics capabilities, it offers console-quality gaming in a handheld device. Whether you're into action, strategy, or puzzle games, the Ayaneo Flip provides an immersive experience that rivals that of a traditional gaming console. Designed for comfort and performance, the Ayaneo Flip is perfect for gaming on the go. Its battery life is impressive, allowing for extended playtime, and its ergonomic design ensures comfortable gameplay, even during long sessions. Futurist Plus 3.0. Futurist Plus 3.0 is a comprehensive health monitoring device that helps you stay on top of your wellness goals. It provides insights into body composition, heart rate, hydration levels, and more, allowing you to track your progress and make informed health decisions. It's like having a personal health coach in your pocket, keeping you accountable and motivated. Beyond its monitoring capabilities, Futurist Plus 3.0 also integrates with mobile apps, giving you easy access to your health data. This makes it easier to set and achieve health goals, whether you're looking to improve fitness or monitor specific health metrics. Hardshell Stress Relief Toy. The Hardshell Stress Relief Toy is a compact, interactive gadget designed to help you manage stress. It has a durable, ergonomic shell that you can squeeze, twist, or roll, providing a satisfying way to release tension throughout the day. It's perfect for keeping your hands busy during work or study sessions, helping you stay focused and calm. This gadget is more than just a toy. It's a tool for mindfulness and relaxation. The tactile sensation and interactive design make it an effective way to manage anxiety, making it a great addition to any workspace. TempoFlow Rolling Ball Clock. The TempoFlow Rolling Ball Clock is a mesmerizing, modern take on timekeeping. It features a series of rolling balls that display the time in a unique, almost hypnotic way. Watching the balls glide along the tracks can be surprisingly calming, making this clock as much a piece of art as a functional gadget. It adds a stylish, minimalist look to any space and sparks conversation every time someone notices it. This clock isn't just about telling time, it's about creating an experience. Perfect for any tech-savvy home or office, the TempoFlow Rolling Ball Clock brings a bit of wonder into your daily routine. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.